Asian stocks plunged overnight following the biggest US and London stock market drops in decades as global panic over the spread of coronavirus increased. Japan's Nikkei is down 6.08% this morning, after dropping as much as 10% overnight. Read more: How to lead your business through a crisis like coronavirus. Hong Kong's Hang Seng is down 2.82%, after earlier suffering its steepest drop since 2008. And the Shanghai composite has fallen 1.23%. Overnight there was huge volatility in Asian stock markets as some indices saw their biggest daily percentage decline since the financial crisis, CMC Markets analyst David Madden said. But the equity benchmarks have recouped much of their losses, he added. Yesterday the FTSE 100 suffered its biggest one-day fall since 1987 as it plunged 10.87% on deepening coronavirus fears. U.S. stocks also plummeted, prompting the New York Federal Reserve to pledge $1.5 trillion for short-term lending markets. However, the S&P 500 closed down 9.51%, the Dow Jones finished 9.99% down and the Nasdaq fell 9.43%. Meanwhile, President Donald Trump's decision to block travel from most EU countries to the U.S. due to the spread of coronavirus saw European stocks suffer their worst day ever. Read more: Trump's America is heading into twin coronavirus crises. Yesterday the extent of the risk posed by coronavirus began to emerge, as Boris Johnson warned the British public that as many as 10,000 people could already be infected with the virus and that the peak of the disease is weeks away. At a press conference after trading ended in the city, the Prime Minister said that the outbreak is the worst public health crisis for a generation and warned that many more families are going to lose loved ones before their time. For more on this story, visit the news article link.